Hey everyone, how's it going? Magomancer here. So, I've been going to that 9 round for the past week now, and I am still a little sore because I literally just went there this morning, and yeah, it, it is pretty intense. So, I figured I might as well do quick video on some of the stuff that I've got. Now I don't have the heart rate monitor yet. It should be coming anytime now. But I'll show you what else I got, which are the hand wraps and the gloves. So I'm actually just about to wash my hand wraps because they are getting a little bit smelly. So these here. Oh, that was Ty. Yeah, that's my dog. So they're both the same. So it's like 9 round. So basically, I believe it's about 180 inches. So I'll just show you guys just uh, uh, the way that they taught me how to put these things on. So this side down, that goes directly to your wrist. So this is the way that they show me. So just flip what I'm doing if you're following along at home. So basically just put it here. Then because my hands are, as you can see, pretty big, I can only wrap it around twice. But you at home, if you don't have hands this big, then wrap it around 3 times. So 1, 2. Nice and tight, but don't cut off your circulation. And then you go like this around, and then you bring it around your wrist 1 time. Then you go here, twist, here. That's the problem with these hand wraps. They untwist real easily. Then here, 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 and make sure that it's right around your knuckles. Then cross to here, wrap, one here, one here, one here, like this. And that is how I was taught to put the hand wraps on. Now, that's the hand wraps, and I also got their own branded gloves. So basically, Now, at my gym, you don't have these put on until round 3. So, yeah. It's actually, these are actually pretty well made. And, yeah. So that's basically the video. I am planning on getting some more gloves because, as a lot of you know, my favorite color is purple. Unfortunately, the only gloves that I had were these ones, the 9 round, or pink ones. I'm not that big into pink, so yeah, just wanted to say hi and, well, see you guys later. One thing I forgot to mention about the 9 round gloves is the ones that they use at the gym. These are 10-ounce gloves. So, yeah, just wanted to let you guys know about that as well. So, I am gonna go wash these hand wraps because, yeah, they're getting pretty dirty now. So, have fun, stay possum.